When you truly master your craft, your efficiency skyrockets. Don't just take our word for it. Watch these incredible construction pros in action, handpicked by High Tech. A symphony born from perfect teamwork. And here's a fun one, the ultimate way to clean off your concrete glutes. A smart and efficient solution without the need for heavy reconstruction. The team worked in perfect harmony, passing each load with flawless timing. With just a single bucket, he moved effortlessly, turning a simple tool into a display of pure skill and balance. Here we have the true masters, builders who've turned raw materials into living works of art. He knows exactly how to keep mortar from drying too fast, even in cold weather. True mastery of his craft. Look how easy to build a house. Heating the plastic pipes until they soften, then carefully fusing them back together for a perfect seal. The driver maneuvers effortlessly, guiding the vehicle straight through the concrete pillars with precision and control. He boosted his speed by making full use of the excavator's power and precision. The stakes are driven into the ground effortlessly, securing everything firmly in place with minimal effort. The wall combines traditional bricks with sleek glass ones, creating a balanced and modern design. He was skillfully building a thatched roof. Without using any mold, this craftsman managed to create a stone wall that looks strikingly real. Concrete sets much faster when he uses this machine, cutting down drying time and boosting efficiency. A simple yet brilliant way to make your backyard look stunning. With this handy tool, they can quickly and precisely position each post exactly where it needs to be. Now it's your turn. Who do you think deserves the crown of excellence? Share your thoughts with High Tech in the comments below.